Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to download Twitter videos to gallery. So let's get started. First, find the video that you want to download. For example, I'm going to download this video. First, you want to click the share button at the bottom right corner of the video. Then click copy link. Now head over to your browser and search up Twitter Downloader. Now click on the second link, sstwitter.com. From here, you're just going to long press this part and click paste. Now hit download. You're going to be given some options here, but you want to click the first one, which says download HD. Then hit download, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.